This is Unit 1, Lesson 3. Graphing linear relations. Okay, I start from here. Parallel lines are lines that never reach. If you continue these lines, they never reach. They never cross each other. Perpendicular lines are lines that perpendicular together. Two lines that cross, not only cross, they make the angle of 90 degrees. These lines are perpendicular. And neither means that two lines that cross each other, but this angle is not, these angles are not 90 degrees. Negative reciprocal means that the reciprocal of a number with the opposite sign. For example, negative reciprocal of 5 is 1/5, and with opposite side. This is positive, it becomes negative. Okay, example 1. Write an equation that is perpendicular and another equation that is parallel to the given equations. Question 1. A. I want to write equation that is parallel to this one, parallel. We just look at here. Okay. We just look at the slope. Slope here is 3. Write another equation with a slope 3. Y equal to, for example, 3x, and y-intercept, which is this one, can be any number, plus 1. And second equation, perpendicular to that. So perpendicular is, for example, you have the equation, or this one, doesn't matter. Write down y, slope is negative reciprocal, 1/3x, and y-intercept can be any number, for example 2. For last one, y equals negative 4x. It means that y equals negative 4x y equal to negative 4x. It is that you have an invisible 0 here. Negative 4 is the slope. If you want to write a line parallel to that, it's going to be y equal to, slope should be the same. The slope should be negative 4x, and y-intercept, this one is y-intercept, can be any number, plus 1. And perpendicular is, you have this number y equal to negative reciprocal of a slope plus 1. Y equal to negative of negative 4 is positive 4. It's going to be positive, and flip 4. 4 means 4 over 1. If you flip it, it's going to be 1 over 4. X and y-intercept can be any number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can put 1 again. Doesn't matter. Determine the following pairs of equations are parallel, perpendicular, or neither. It doesn't have ask for finding the intercept. Just we need to find whether they are parallel or perpendicular, or neither. So it's easy to see a slope here. A slope here is 1 over 2. But how about the first equation? What is the slope here? First, we are going to convert it to y-intercept form. So I'm going to write the equation here again. Negative 2x plus 1y equal to negative 6. Y-intercept form. So my goal is to isolate y. It means that y in one side and every other thing on the other side. You can move negative 2x to the other side, or you can just add both sides 2x, if you understand this way better. When you add them, these two cancel out each other, and you have 1y equal to negative 6 plus 2x. So, and this one is extra, we can just delete that. Okay. And here you can rearrange it again. Y equal to 2x minus 6. I just change the place, just rearrange. I move negative 6 to the other side and it's same thing. Because 2 plus 3 equal to 3 plus 2. See, 2 plus 3 equal to 3 plus 2. Okay? Okay. Now, what is the slope here? As you can see, the slope is 2. In the other equation, this one, the slope is 1 over 2. The second slope is 2. See, this one is 2, this one is 1 over 2. They are not negative reciprocate because both of them are positive. They are reciprocal, but they are not negative. So it is neither. So these two lines, if you put it in decimal, you can see that these two lines easily just cross each other like this. So the answer for this one is neither. Okay. For the second question, you can see that the slope here is 1 over 4 because the equation is like this. Y-intercept is 0. 0 means that if this is your coordinate plane, this 0 means that the line passing through center, because y-intercept is 0. If y-intercept was, for example, if y-intercept was, for example, 2, this line moved 2 units up, okay, like here. But y-intercept is 0. So in this question, the slope is 1 over 4. Now we are going to look at the first equation. What is the slope here? I'm going to write it down again. Negative x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. So my goal is to isolate y. Move everything to the other side. So I'm going to move negative x to the other side. When you move it to the other side, the sign turns to positive. So it's going to be like this. 4y equal to, when we move it, the sign change. This is negative x. When you move it, it's going to be positive x. And also, we move it negative 12 to the other side and become positive 12. we are going to divide both sides by 4. Let me do it another color because I want to fully isolate. You can write divide by 4 here. This is exactly equal to writing like this. Okay? And now with 4 divided by 4, they cancel out each other. And we have y equal to x over 4 plus 12 divided by 4. 12 divided by 4 is 3. 12 divided by 4 is 3. Okay? And here you can rewrite it like this. Y equal to 1 over 4 x plus 3. And here you can see this is the same thing, these two equations. You can see a slope is 1 over 4. So a slope is 1 over 4. This is a slope of the first one is 1 over 4, second one is 1 over 4. So these two lines are parallel. And we do the same for this question. We can see that the slope here is 2 over 3. And in order to calculate the slope here, we need to isolate y. So it's going to be 3y equal to 24 plus 2x because we move 2x to the other side, or 3y equal to 2x plus 24. And now we are going to divide both by 3. And we have y equal to 2 over 3x plus 8. Okay. And the slope, this part, this is a slope. Again, they are parallel because 2 over 3 is, see, look at here. This slope is 2 over 3, this slope is 2 over 3, so they are parallel. Okay. Parallel. Find the equation of the line, this question. Find the equation of the line of a graph graph the line that is perpendicular to the original. Graph the line that is parallel to the original. Okay, in order to find the equation of a line, we start with one point on a graph. It can be any point. We know that the equation of the line is y equal to mx plus b, which b is y-intercept, and its intercept in y-axis at 4. So we already have b. b is 4. Y equal to, what is m? M is rise over run. I start from any point. You can start from any point, but I am starting from a point, ignore decimal, just exactly an intersection on graph. In order to go from this point, point 1, point A to point B, we need to go rise 1, 2, and run 1. So m is 2 over 1. This is the equation of the line. You don't have to write 1 on denominator, so it's exactly equal to y equal to 2x plus 4. Okay, that's it. This is lesson 3 of unit 1, graphing linear relation. Good luck.